Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how do I find out which people I'm following on Instagram do not follow me back. So actually you can do it manually by scrolling all your followers list and just find person you are following if he or she just appear on in this list. So actually you can use some services or apps, but I don't advise you for doing this um, because some services can steal your private info like your password or your login and just stole your account. That's why as for me, I prefer just manually look in the search, just write names of people you hope that just don't follow you back and just search like this. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.